Example number 16. X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. X dot pop function. Take the print of X, you will get 0, 1, 2. Look at here. The given list is X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. This list has been named with the identifier X. Now take the pop function, X dot pop of parentheses. Don't put anything inside the parentheses. Simply put two parentheses in front of the pop and then take the print of X. What is X? X is actually this variable, the identifier. So when you run the program, you will get this list where 3 has been removed here. Look, in the list we have only 0, 1, 2. The last element, which is the 3, has been removed as we use the pop function. So there is no more 3 in the output. In the output you will get only the first 3 elements where the last element has been removed. So that's what pop function does. Example number 17. X equals to 5, hello, a, true. X dot pop function. Take the print of X, you will get the output 5, hello, a. Look at here, we have total 4 elements, 5, hello, a, and true. These are the 4 elements in the given function. So this whole information has been saved with the name with the identifier X. Now take the pop function for the X dot pop function. Now take the print of X, call X with the help of the print function. When you run the program, you will get 5, hello, a, where the last element, which is true, has been removed. This true has been removed from the list, from the given list. We left only with the 3 elements 5, hello, a in the final output.